Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netspend Skylight card step by step clearly. To activate your Netspend Skylight card, begin by gathering your personal information. Ensure you have your card on hand for this process. Visit the official Netspend website. Look for the Activate Card option on the homepage. Click on the Activate Card link. You will be directed to a new page. Enter your card number in the designated field. Provide the security code found on the back of your card. Fill in your date of birth as required. Input your social security number for verification purposes. Enter your current address for account verification. Click on the Submit button to process your information. Wait for a confirmation message that your card has been activated. If necessary, follow any additional prompts provided on the screen. Once activated, your card will be ready for use. You can also activate your card by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Have your card details ready for verification during the call. Follow the automated instructions provided by the representative. After successful activation, you can start using your Netspend Skylight card immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.